Freestone River is fishing very well today, and the brook trout are lighting it up on top. If they're this active, they'd go crazy for a streamer. So we've seen a lot of what's going on the surface here at pool number 1 on the Freestone. Let's give it a try and see what's going on underneath the surface, subsurface with a streamer. I've got a cone-headed muddler leech combination in olive color, and just like swinging any stream for steelhead or Atlantic salmon, you start close to yourself and slowly work out a couple inches at a time, swinging that fly right across the pool. You know, though there are fish active on top, aggressively chasing these stoneflies makes you wonder if there's going to be fish that are active subsurface as well. Got him. That's a great reason to have 2 rods set up so you can quickly switch between top water and a subsurface. Wasn't 2 swings through and the streamer got crushed. It's another good one, huh? Oh yeah, it's a great fish. Off that rock. There he goes. Now it seems like all these brook trout are hanging in the shadows on the left-hand side, because when I fished the right hand, I didn't even move a fish, not one. But I've lost count on how many we've caught on this side now. Oh, that's a good one. He barely fits. That's bigger, that's the biggest one yet. Oh my goodness, another male. Great fish.